Discover the power of the most read book in the world, the Bible. This timeless text holds a unique position in the literary world. It's not just a book, but a phenomenon that has influenced the course of human history. Its message has transcended borders, cultures, and languages, capturing the hearts and minds of millions. The Bible's teachings have shaped our society, our morals, our laws, and our understanding of spirituality. Consider this. The Bible has been translated into over 3,000 languages, making its teachings accessible to people from every corner of the globe. It has sold billions of copies, more than any other book in history. This isn't a mere coincidence. It's a testament to the Bible's enduring relevance and its power to touch lives. The Bible stands unique not just by its popularity, but also by its profound impact on individuals and societies. Religious texts serve as spiritual guides, but the Bible stands apart in its unique aspects. Consider the Quran, a text with profound spiritual teachings and moral guidance. Yet the Bible differs in its narrative structure, unfolding stories of humanity, divinity, struggle, and redemption across various genres: history, poetry, prophecy, and letters. This unique blend of genres makes the Bible not just a religious text, but also a literary masterpiece. Now, let's take a look at the Bhagavad Gita, a philosophical dialogue that explores the nature of reality and the self. The Bible, however, provides more than philosophical musings. It offers historical and archaeological corroborations that lend credibility to the events it describes. Discoveries like the Dead Sea Scrolls and artifacts from biblical times turn tales into tangible truths. Lastly, the Book of Mormon, another text with significant spiritual teachings. Yet the Bible stands apart with its prophetic nature. Its pages hold numerous prophecies, some fulfilled within the text itself, others in recorded history, and some yet to come. This prophetic characteristic adds a layer of intrigue and anticipation, beckoning readers to delve deeper. While every religious text holds value and wisdom, the unique aspects of the Bible, its compelling narrative, historical and archaeological corroborations, and prophetic nature, make it a compelling read for anyone seeking spiritual understanding. It's more than a book. It's an experience, a journey through time, and a glimpse into the divine. In a rapidly changing world, the Bible's timeless wisdom remains relevant. In this era of technological advancement, where knowledge is at our fingertips, it's easy to forget the wisdom contained in the pages of a book written thousands of years ago. Yet, the Bible's teachings continue to be applicable in our daily lives. Concepts of love, forgiveness, and morality, all fundamental to human relationships, are deeply ingrained in its text. Think about love. In a world often divided by hate, the Bible's message of love can bridge the gap and bring us together. It teaches us to love our neighbors as ourselves, a principle that, if followed, could transform societies. Or consider forgiveness. In a time where grudges and resentments can be held onto for years, the Bible encourages us to let go of our anger and forgive, promoting personal growth and healing. The Bible also offers a moral compass, a guide to discerning right from wrong, which remains pertinent in a world where ethical lines can often seem blurred. Moreover, the Bible's influence extends far beyond personal lives. Its narratives, characters, and themes have profoundly shaped literature, art, and popular culture. From classic novels to modern films, traces of biblical narratives are woven into the fabric of our shared culture, enriching it and making it more diverse. The Bible's enduring wisdom continues to guide, inspire, and comfort millions around the world. The Bible isn't just a religious text, it's a book for everyone. Yes, you heard it right. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what your beliefs are, the Bible welcomes all readers with open arms. It transcends the boundaries of religion and invites us to delve into its rich tapestry of stories, lessons, and wisdom. When we view the Bible as a historical document, it gives us a glimpse into the lives of people from an era long gone. It's a time capsule preserving tales of societies, cultures, and events from thousands of years ago. As a literary masterpiece, the Bible boasts a diverse array of narratives, poetry, and prose. It's a treasure trove of literary devices and storytelling techniques. And let's not forget its value as a philosophical guide. It poses profound questions about life, morality, and existence that continue to stimulate thoughtful discussions today. Regardless of your faith or lack thereof, The Bible offers a wealth of wisdom, insight, and inspiration that can enrich anyone's life. If you enjoyed our video, kindly leave a comment down below. We'll be sure to respond and show our appreciation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest videos. As an added bonus, delve into our latest recommendations provided in the description. We hope to see you back real soon.